In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesforce Authenticator in just 5 minutes. Whether you're enhancing security for your work account or simply taking steps to protect personal information, setting up two-factor authentication is a smart move. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First, grab your mobile device and head over to your App Store. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the first step is to download the Salesforce Authenticator app. It's free and easy to find. Simply type Salesforce Authenticator into the search bar and it should pop right up. Download and install the app and you're ready to move on to the next step. Now turn your attention to Salesforce itself. Go to your Salesforce account and click on your profile, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Once you click your profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where we begin configuring the connection between Salesforce and the Authenticator app. Once inside your settings, look for an option labeled Advanced User Details. This section is key as it houses important security settings. Scroll through until you find Two-Factor Authentication Setup. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring not just a password but also confirmation from your mobile device, keeping your data safe and secure. In this area, you'll see an option to Connect App. Click on that and you'll be prompted to select an app with which to link your account. From the options given, choose Salesforce Authenticator. Now, things are starting to take shape. Pick up your mobile device again. You should see the Salesforce Authenticator app you just installed. Open it and tap on Add an Account. This option is your gateway to securely linking your Salesforce account with the app. Once you tap that, you'll be presented with two ways to proceed. You can either scan a QR code or enter a key manually. Both methods are equally effective, so choose the one you find most comfortable. If you opt for the QR code, point your device's camera at the code displayed on your Salesforce setup page. If you choose to enter the key manually, ensure you input it exactly as it appears to avoid any errors. Once finished, your accounts will be linked. And there you have it. Salesforce Authenticator is now set up, making your account more secure than ever. Thanks to these simple steps, every login attempt will require confirmation from your mobile device, enhancing your security. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay secure and see you in the next video.